What's up, traders? Going 2 for 2 today. Going to jump right into it. Our first trade was on GEVO, which I actually started in the pre-market and finished into the market open. Nice little pop up through the whole dollar. You can see this previous resistance down here at 581. That was from the pre-market, and kind of added into this, was really hoping honestly for a big move up through 650, but this ended up into a 111, which in my eyes was really just a 1-2. I was looking for the pop through 650, realized we might not get it, so I took half of that 2 position and added the other half on the other side of 650. And unfortunately, this kept coming down and bouncing right off our average at 642. So I ended up taking a third of our position off, looking for the remainder to come back down. And this wick was actually fake. It never actually even came down here. We ended up taking a lot more off, and then we put the stop up at high of day. And as you can see, it got real close, didn't hit it, started to come back down into the open. And then we actually took half of the leftovers. And then I had an order out closer to the previous resistance here, but it seemed like when it came through 6, it didn't want to go down any further. You can see it on this candle, actually, it popped back up through 6. And then it retested 6 again, trying to go back through, but ultimately it failed. And as you can see, this kind of just died for the rest of the day, but was pretty happy with this trade considering, you know, it was a nice and quick one. And then the only trade we got during the day was DBI. You can see previous resistance was down here, a little under 15, kind of grinded up a little bit. And then we got another secondary pop without any kind of a real pullback. So just kind of I put an order out on the ask, just seeing if we get filled up through 1550. Got filled at 1564 at the time. The high was 1572, almost 73. Got a nice pullback right away, and we took it off. And that was that. It did try to go a little bit lower, but as you can see, this thing kind of grinded higher for most of the morning, but ultimately ended up kind of falling over here towards the end of the day. So that was the only 2 trades I got. There really wasn't anything else that popped all day. Just a lot of grinding. The SPY itself is kind of looks like a buyout at the moment. Kind of went up in the morning and is just kind of going sideways. So really not sure what to think about the market as a whole. I think a lot of people are scared of what the overall market's going to do. So we're not seeing a lot of that FOMO come into these tickers as usual. So with that said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate that support. If you do have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Find me in Discord, find me on Twitter, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.